Clark & Associates are proud to present the Finger Buttes Ranch in Alzada, Montana. This cattle ranch is located 20 miles north of Alzada in southeast Montana. The ranch is 10,201 total acres, with 7,715 acres being deeded. Historically used for summer yearling grazing and year-round cow-calf operations, the ranch also has 3,560 acres of tillable soil. Terrain on the ranch is rolling grass pastures with draws falling away from chalk buttes at an elevation of 3,500 to 4,000 feet above sea level. Water resources on the ranch are comprised of seasonal stock ponds and a 35-gallon per minute well that feeds a 30,000-gallon cistern and several miles of pipeline to water tanks around the ranch. There are two sets of improvements on the ranch, each with beautiful homes. There are also working corrals, horse pens, Quonset huts for equipment storage, and grain bins. The Finger Buttes Ranch in southeast Montana.